In this session, we will learn about operators in Python. Let's see an example for variable calculation. First, let us look at a simple calculation. We assign 50 plus 100 to a variable a. So the value of a becomes 150. Next, we add 50 to a and store it in variable b. So b becomes 200. Finally, we add a and b and store the results in c. The value of c becomes 350. This shows how Python evaluates expressions step by step using variables. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. Let us take a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 4. You can add two numbers, 15 plus 4. You can subtract one number from another, 15 minus 4. You can multiply two numbers, 15 into 4. You can divide and return a decimal value. 15 divided by 4 gives you 3.75. You can also return only integer part of the division by giving the floor division 15//4, which gives you 3. To return the remainder, we use the simple modulus, which has been represented by the percentage symbol. So 15 divided by 4, the remainder is 3, which has been given in the form of 15 modulo 4 gives you 3. Exponential is represented by double asterisk. Raises a number to a power. So 15 double asterisk 4, which is equal to 50625. Let us start with x is equal to 10. On giving plus equal to, x plus equal to 5, which means x is equal to x plus 5, the value becomes 15. X minus equal to is equal to 3, value becomes 12. X into equal to 2, value becomes 24. X divided equal to 4, value becomes 6. X modulo is equal to 2, remainder is 0. S exponential double asterisk is equal to 3 gives you 0. Bitwise assignment operators trade human readability for computational efficiency. Let's reset x is equal to 10. In binary form, 10 can be written as 1010. X ampersand is equal to 3 means add 3 in binary form 0011 to x. The binary form is 1010. When adding both the binary things, it gives 0010, which means decimal 2. X pipe equal to 5 gives you 7, operating the OR operator. X raised to is equal to 2 gives you 5 by using the XOR operator. X greater than is equal to 1 gives you 2. A right shift moves bit to the right, discarding the least significant bit. X less than is equal to 2 gives you 8. A left shift moves bits to the left and pads 0 on the right. The walrus operator assigns a value and uses it immediately. Here, value 7 is assigned to y, and it can be used in the same expression. Let's now see comparison operator. Comparison operator compares two values and returns true or false. A is equal to 13, B is equal to 33. When A is greater than B, it gives you false. When A is less than B, it gives you true. When A is double equivalent to B, it gives you false. And when you check A not equal to B, it gives you true. When you check A greater than and equal to B, it gives you false, and A less than and equal to B gives you true. These operators are commonly used in decision-making statements. Let's now see about logical operators. Logical operators combine conditions. Let's take A is equal to true and B is equal to false. The AND operator returns true only if both the values are true. True and false gives you false. The OR operator returns true if at least one value is true. True or false gives you true. The not operator reverses the results. Not true gives you false. The bitwise operator. The bitwise operator operates on the binary level. A is equal to 10 gives you binary 1010. B is equal to 4 gives you binary 0100. A ampersand B gives you 0000, which is equal to 0. The identity operator check memory location, not value. Let's take A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. C is equal to A. A is B gives you false. A is not B gives you true. A is C gives you true. The membership operators check whether a value exists in a sequence. Let's take numbers is equal to square bracket of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 24 not in numbers gives you true. 20 in numbers gives you true. The ternary operator allows decision making in one line. A is assigned to minimum. If A less than B, else B. If A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, the minimum value is 10. The operator precedence decides which operation executes first. Example, 10 plus 20 into 30. Multiplication happens first. So 20 into 30 gives you 600. Then addition happens. So 10 plus 600 gives you 610. Here in the second example, AND has higher precedence than R. Python takes into condition if the name is Alex or if the name is John and the age is at least 2. So now Python immediately prints hello welcome taking the name is Alex. Let's now see about operator associativity. The associativity decides the direction of evaluation. 1000 divided by 10 into 10 gives you 100. 5 minus 2 plus 3 gives you 6. Exponentiation works from right to left. 2 double asterisk 3 double asterisk 2. In Walrus operator, if count colon equal to length of numbers is greater than 3, the length is stored in count and checked at the same time. The list contains 5 elements is the output. To summarize, operators perform calculations, comparisons and logic. Python supports many types of operators. Understanding operators improves problem solving and coding efficiency. Thank you for listening. Happy learning and happy coding.